All right. Um, so now we're going to make the attack logic. So for that, we need to make some adjustments first. So first adjustment is select the cone and go to the collision and make sure that pawn is in overlap. Just make sure that you do that part. After that, we had the patrolling, and in the patrolling, it will be accepted radius plus 50, just to because it's the automated movement kind of stops at the accepted radius itself. We need to have a buffer uh, to ensure that the right boolean is checked up. Same thing here, attacking radius plus a few, let's say 15, that's more than enough. Right. So let's see if we get the attacking or not. All right, let it come close and can attack. Okay. And of course, now it will get stuck. All right, that's fine. All right, so now what we're going to do is very simple. Um, we are just going to do a box trace, not a line trace, box trace. Just 1 second. All right. So a box trace. Box trace is basically a line trace, but in the shape of a box. The reason we're going for a box trace is that it is easy and convenient. Line trace can be a hit or a miss, so it is better to use a box trace. For now, we will use this arrow, this one, and let's just go here. We will say that the starting location. Okay, that's not good. Here is fine. All right, starting location will be this arrow. Get world location. Get actor rotation. End would be get actor forward vector multiplied by 100, maybe 500 plus half size is the box dimensions. So we can say for now this can be 100 by 50 by 50. Make sure that you draw it so we can see it. This is fine. We'll say break, and we'll say if the hit act, we'll just print it out. We'll not print it out, we'll just copy this. So we get a text in red color. Hit actor should be player. Okay. That's why we're doing this. All right. Following. Now we wait. Move closer to player. All right. Now it's stuck. We'll just do that one again. Okay, let me just try it out. What's happening there? Okay, maybe we need. That's the attacking box. All right. Now we do have a certain issues where the character is just stopping, the enemy is just stopping, which is not correct. Right now, this issue with the haphazardly. Okay, now they're following the now they're following the location, not the actor, because we have a specific code for that here. Here. So if we um, do say to check in the radius and it fails, then it goes here. So I'll just disconnect this so we don't have the ambiguity. We'll do this. And now it will follow the player irrespective of where it is called from. Now move closer player. Um, Let me acceptance radius. What is the capsule radius? Capsule radius 34. That's more than enough. Mm. Let's make this 50 and then plus 50 is fine. Okay. Hmm. Let's change this to accepted radius. Just doing some tests on the fly. Make sure that it is working. Okay, that's not working. It's still throwing the same issue. I get what the issue is. It's accepted radius, but that's not. If accepted radius, let's make the accepted radius 50, attacking radius would be 100. So, and make sure that accepted radius is the one which is used everywhere. And here we can go back to 20. All right, now it should work at least, because it is just about finding the right distance actually. Yeah, now it says cat attack. All right. And just to get the continuity, we will add a delay. This is just for the continuity. After 1 second, it will we can have this same thing being called here. Unit engaged. Okay. All right. Making sure that we are engaged, and then you can continue the action accordingly. Um, I just changed the AI state change engaged part from, I mean, the location is not there anymore. That's it. No big change. All right. So now it will continue to attack or chase us even after the first attack. Attack, go away. We need to have a timer check for this one. All right. So we will just add the this function that we've just created, and we'll name it as um, rechecking for player location or attack after unit has just attacked. So this is being called only in the case of being attacked. This one just asks to go to near the player. Actually, I don't really like using delays, so basically this will be changed with the anim notify as soon as we get skeletal meshes and as soon as we get animations for those skeletal meshes. All right. Okay, so now they're following. It's great. Make sure you don't double jump, because if you double jump, uh, we'll find a workaround for that one. They can attack, and then they'll follow us. Uh, can attack, boom, follow, can attack, can attack, can attack, can attack, follow. Yeah, that's good. All right, great. So, just to finish this one off, we will quickly create a functionality of getting hit on the player. So we are going to use we can use the same function, or we can maybe create a new one. Um, let's just create a new one. We'll create an interface just like before, but this will be just player interface. Interfaces, blueprint interface. Interface. So this can be exclusively for player. They can have all kinds of things player specific. Player player hit underscore I for interface hit underscore I. For now, we will just have a few attack value. Hit direction. And what else? I don't know. This value and hit direction. That's okay. Not a very complicated one that we're making here. And make sure you add interface, which is the player interface. There's a very cool thing that you can do if you do an output just showing. We don't need to do this hit registered, something like that. Registered. So if we do an output, this automatically becomes a function itself. We don't need to make an event out of this. So this is kind of a cool feature which I personally like to use. But of course, if you don't have an output, don't need to create one. We will make a health. We will say HP. Make sure it is boolean. Oh, sorry. What am I saying? It's float. Max HP. We'll put this under HP. All right. Okay. Minus get attack val, which is the attack value. Clamp. 0 is fine. Max HP is max HP. and max HP would be 100 for now. Alright, and we can do a print HP value. Right, maybe we can have it a little bit better. Alright. So now if we do get hit, we can be notified here, and here we will say if it's the does like where the enemy AI was hitting us. So we will just say, hey, just 1 second. I never saw the player name being printed. Okay. Hmm. 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 Let's just ignore self. And also, we need to decrease these. Because I did not see player being hit. The player name is not coming. Just says can attack. Doesn't say anything else. See? It does say can attack. The value is there, but maybe reduce this a bit. And the start location, we can add the start location also a bit. I mean, I'm just adding bit to the front, like the forward vector, but you can also create a different arrow altogether, so you have better control. All right, let's just try this one again. Interesting. Don't see any. Don't see any attacks happening. Okay. That's weird. Let's see if our is. Oh, visibility is ignore. No wonder it's not working. So we'll just change this to camera for now. Maybe we can later add in our own tracing channel, which will ensure that these small issues don't happen again. Yep. Now we get it. That's good. Let me just true. This is player interface. If it's true, then say player got hit, player hit. Attack value would be 10. Don't care about the hit direction for now. And don't do anything if it's false. Now we should have the health popping up, updating every so often. Oh, all right, so we directly got to 0. That is something, because the HP value is 0 from the start. All right, got it. I am confused about this specific thing where this happens, but then it doesn't move at all. This one is a problem. Seeing it happen quite often. Okay. How it is following, that's good. But sometimes, right now. Okay. So we were just in place, just around that the enemy could have attacked us, but couldn't. And then it was move close to player, but then that's it. Uh, Let me just try to debug. Right, let's just go here. Can attack, can attack, can attack. Okay. See, there it got blocked. All right. So not just about this. There is also another factor that I see is that of the double jump and of also the attacking mechanism. We need to have much better control of the enemy, AI. So like right now, it has stopped. I will put in some extra code. Not right now. I mean, I will think about it, and we can have basically kind of a timer event, which which makes sure that um, we are never in kind of a stuck situation, idle situation. All right. All right. Thank you. That's it for now.